as the ground shook with rumblings and crackling sounds, I knew Pele was on the move. Seeing her every single night from 30 miles away is the most powerful experience I've ever had. Growing up, learning Hawaiian culture, learning the language was not pushed onto my generation. It left a massive void in me. And my whole life there I was always yearning for my purpose, who I am. Your name speaks volumes. I just learned what my last name means a few years ago. Kaholo'a'ā, flow of jagged rock, which directly connects us to Pele. Being connected to Pele, I can see aspects of her within the steam. I feel comfort being in her presence because I am an extension of her. People view eruptions as being very destructive. But what people don't understand is Pele is a creator of life. As she flows, the native plant life can start to regrow. The native birds return. The cycle, it starts anew. And only recently I've realized all things need that regrowth. As I grow, as I learn, I'm connecting myself back to my culture. I feel at home. It's like, okay, now I know. My journey is to share my culture to the world. Every island has a story. If you listen, it will speak to you.